Reliability is especially important when buying an appliance. You can't find any reliability stats on how these products actually perform in your home. Until now. In this video, you'll learn about the most reliable brands and products, service trends, and how we calculated appliance reliability based on 34,687 service calls logged by our service department in 2018. Our formula is simple. We track a brand's service calls and divide by sales over a 12-month period for a percentage. The brands with the lowest percentages are the most reliable. The most reliable appliances tend to be microwaves, ranges, hoods, grills, laundry, and dishwashers because they tend to need less service as a category. While refrigerators, pro ranges, and wall ovens tend to need more service per category. Here are the most reliable appliance brands for 2019. Number 1 is Whirlpool. We sold 6,940 units with only 312 service calls at a 4.5 service percentage. Whirlpool is a brand, especially the laundry, is solid but unspectacular with fewer premium controls, so there's less to break. Number 2 is LG with 3,085 units sold with only 168 service calls at a 5.45 percentage. This is really not surprising. Most of what we sell is their dependable laundry, and they excel in washers and dryers. Number 3 is Samsung, with 6,352 sold and 541 serviced, at a service percentage of 8.52. They tend to be more skewed towards refrigeration and cooking. Samsung and LG's real problem, however, is their lack of service techs in the field in certain areas. Statistically, you will have fewer issues with these brands, but if you do, there will be problems in finding competent service techs. We should note that we do not sell the so-called energy-efficient top loads on universal recall. Number 4 is GAGGENAU, 251 units sold, 27 serviced, 10.76 percentage. They could be the most reliable and well-engineered upscale products you can buy. However, you do need to learn how to use a GAGGENAU appliance. Number 5 is BOSCH, with 6,751 units sold and 754 serviced, with a service percentage of 11.17%. BOSCH sells mostly reliable dishwashers, but their induction cooktops and compact laundry are the most reliable in their categories. Number 6 is MAYTAG, with 3,363 sold and 407 serviced, with a service percentage of 12.10. Their laundry is reliable, as well as their parts and support. Our shift to MAYTAG and Whirlpool laundry in 2018 resulted in 13% fewer service calls than the year before. Number 7 is MIELE, at 2,235 sold and 298 serviced, with a service percentage of 13.33%. Their dishwashers and laundry are some of the best. However, they do now sell pro ranges and refrigerators, so their service percentage as a company has increased. Number 8 is Wolf, with 2,173 units sold and 399 serviced, with a service percentage of 18.36%. This company only sells highly repaired products like pro ranges and wall ovens, yet they're in the top 10 again. Now you know the most reliable brands. However, if you buy a whole kitchen, there is a good chance you will still need service. You should definitely consider service along with price and products before you buy your appliances.